everyone, this is Teacher M from Kindergarten 2, and we're going to learn about nature around us, and we will explore the summer clothing. Are you ready? Good day, kids. The activity that we're going to have for today is on page 18 on your book, Nature Around Us. We are going to learn about summer clothing. What clothes do you wear in summer? For me, I wear thin and light clothes during summer. Now kids, look at these clothes and tell their names. And let's observe which clothes here are for summer. Alright? So first, skirt, let's name it first. Skirt, bonnet, cotton shirt, raincoat, cotton dress, shorts, cap, slippers, sweater. Again, kids, which clothes here are for summer? So we're going to draw a circle around the summer clothing. So do you think the skirt is for summer clothing? Yes. So we're gonna draw a circle here. How about this one, bonnet? Is it bonnet is for summer clothing? No. All right. How about this t-shirt? Is this for summer clothing? Yes. So we're gonna circle this t-shirt. How about this one? Raincoat? No. That's right. So we cannot circle this one. How about this one? Yes, it is. So we're gonna circle the cotton dress. How about the shorts? Yes, it is. Very good. And cap. Yes. So we also circle this cap. How about the slippers? Yes or no? Yes. This one is using for summer. And how about the sweater? No, it's not. Alright. So kids, that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed for this topic and see you again next time. Thank you. Goodbye.